You're retarded. Cartwheels.
Okay. I think I'm good.
Look how big my backyard is.
Someone clean my back off. There you go. Look at my back. Clean it off.
It's not dirty.
It was too.
It's not.
Oh. No, but my front is. Dixie! What are you doing?
Getting the license plates. You can't even see.
We're doing a cartwheel. Watch.
Do a cartwheel.
Can you do a front flip?
No.
I'm afraid to.
Ready? Here.